Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here today, you guys. So today I have two products here that I am going to try out today. So the first one I have here is Juvias Place I Am Magic Natural Radiant Foundation. I got the foundation and also the powder, so this is it, you guys. So this is one of the product that I'm gonna try out today on my face, and I have mine in medium full coverage. So let's show you how it look here. So this is what I am going to try out on my face for the first time. It said that you must shake well before using, and it's 30% bronzer and it's natural and radiant. So this is it. So the second thing that I am also going to try out today on my face, I have played it a little bit, and this is from ELF. This is the ELF Puffy Color Corrector for eye brightener. So I am going to also use this on the face today, and it have hyaluronic acid in it, and I have mine in medium. So this is something that I'm going to try out. Also, this is how it look here. As I said, I play in it a little bit. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So first I'm going to put some, this is from Pacific Water Serum Booster. So first thing I'm going to do is apply some of this to my face. So guys, this is my final look for the foundation. First time using this foundation from Juvias Place. So I have a winner here with this foundation. Very, very nice foundation, because since scent of the foundation is very good. It does cover my face. I think I put too much when I was applying it to the face. But overall, I love this foundation, you guys. And I just want to give a big shout out to my friend who has sent me this foundation. Thank you so much. I appreciate, and as I said, um, it feel really, really nice on the skin. It's not heavy or anything. So I am so grateful. They said the name of the foundation, I am Magic Witch. This is my magic foundation for my face. So this is it, you guys. Good coverage, really, really nice blend, really, really good on the face. A little bit thick, but it does blend good. The other thing I have here, you guys, is this. I really, really love this stuff. It is from Elf, and it's their putty color corrector eye brightener, you guys. So I use this underneath my eyes. It does blend pretty good, you guys. Really, really nice. It does blend. I really like it's not heavy for your under eyes, and it's not cakey. I'm just gonna put a little bit. You have a little bit of shine luminosity to it, you guys, when you apply it. So this is how it is. You can see that luminosity on the back of my hand here when I use it, but it does apply really, really good. You have a little bit of oily inside of it, but overall I love this character for my under eyes. I took mine in medium, light medium, because they have darker shade, but I like for my under eyes not to be too dark. And I just set it with some powder. So these are my two product that I have today that I want to introduce to you. This one I know you already know about this, and this one you already know about it, but as for me, this is my first time using these two products. As I said, I play around in this one before when I just bought it, but it's my first time really like using it. And then this one is my first time using this. So if you're not subscribed, please do go ahead, subscribe, turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video you can be notified. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I appreciate you guys. For the people that comment, and I appreciate you, and for the one that just watch and do comment, I still appreciate you. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Ciao.